Now we can go back to our index.html, and underneath our header, what we want to do is create our hero section. Here we want to start off with a section with a class of hero-container. Add the role attribute and make this equal to image. Then we want to add our area label, and this is going to serve as our alternative text since this is not an image where we can add alt text directly. Next, we'll create a div with a class of hero-content, create an h1 and an h3 with our text, create an anchor element where we link to the index.html and the products ID, and create a button with the text of shop now. That's going to be it for the HTML structure. We're going to go back to our styles.css, and just before our media queries, we want to target our hero. So here we want to target the hero-container class, change the position to relative, the width to 100%, and the height to 60 VH. Next, we need to specify a background, and to do this, we're going to use our URL. And to get out of our styles folder here, what we need to do is specify 2 dots followed by a slash, go into images, get our dude fishing JPEG, and at the end here we want to specify no repeat, center, and center/cover. You guys will see that showing up much better now. And before our URL here, what we can also do is specify a color. What I'm going to do is specify a linear gradient and use my RGBA values to add a slight black gradient over this image. What I want to do now is change the display to flex, align my items to the center, justify the content to the center, and text align to the center. Next, I want to target my hero content class, change the color to our white variable, target my h1 element, and make the font size 3 rem and the margin 0. Next, I'll target my button, change the color to white, and then I also want to specify the background color, change that to our primary variable, target the padding and make that 1 rem by 2 rem. Change the border to none, border radius to 2 rem, and then our font weight to bold. And finally, we want to make our cursor a pointer. Now you guys can see we have our hero section set up, and it's completely responsive for any viewport width. Tap here to see what happens next.